The Benin language, the Edo language, is a mixture of up to 3 different languages. It has a mix of Igbo, Yoruba. I don't know any other language that mix with it. But they have mixed up Igbo, Ishan, and Yoruba in their language, so that you have so many Igbo words. The other day, I saw a video of one of our Benin sisters who is a chef cooking soup. I will find that video and share it here. And I was listening to the names she was calling their cooking items in the kitchen. And she mentioned palm oil. You'll be so surprised to know what she called palm oil in Benin, in Edo language. She called palm oil Ofe-Igbo. The same thing we call it in Enuani.
Princess and now with the long yege one in Bwegi Jerry, Agbo people they call her Ujuju, and now Monyewa Rubara, you law, and I love also no dead, and now Ijalo. When the bush meat, I make Benaya is spice, and he just have to make it natural. And yet the bazino for a magi, and I'm Moyegi Pabuele, and now you go making a ika, a benana, and not where. Now regards me when I'm a potty yo. And I pay a baby, okay, all soft, okay, the way, uro. And I palacao, and I you wear over make any day, I can ga. Yes, there again, or soft in it, obiton. And I so I amugen, or second, I been a uro, and I courier rome, or a mossy, and I'm very. And I'm way wuru in a smile. Igbenari Ofe-Igbo here by Udegene or sooner than the Mioguma or Okane. Emi yani loyale unwamiyegi hina. Emeso where adogbolo do this one. It's actually a preference, baby girl. And as I may you wagwa in a stockfish mayo in a renita mayo is enough for and if I really do trust me, this is really, really nice. I wish everybody can be using this thing again. And now the Ofe-Igbo here, and now the buy Udayena, Emiya or Gakube. I come gun and I will need ye here, ye Iga. I remit time, you know. And I've been woman ye, woman, Udayena, Ewa date me on. I remit time, and I go. Yeah, na even the hammer winning na ye ain't be worried enough you way young enough you go hacking or soak. Hey, I mean, ya spices ya when I mayo no yaga. They gave you gillion, and I do vien lads ya name na igoro or say be again and up to where you were wawa. They I worry me tan. I know you tell me adogbo no, it's a preference, baby. And I've you wear our huru or senior benel ikben for that matter. Ude woman mana is ready. I remain tanta. I work on a casa and that's what I get in ya when I notice you where so keke nena is zolela dia in a gear here no making a really guy and I be and I view you wear a pot. Go Dege organic mana and a modular dia and a zolo you wear or doing us wine it do more dege now all year can you not get what you want to compare this yellow yam and I'm movie wa me nation deg one man now oh baba before you talk na different more than a bonus na different way we tell learn. I know say you go still drop your opinion. People are never satisfied. Ena jame ye imame onwego ogimia me ikpe no ga weni zupo bena igwogo. Most people forbid this leaf, but what do I know? Bye, see you next time. Enari Ofe-Igbo here igbenari Ofe-Igbo here bye igbenari Ofe-Igbo here bye igbenari Ofe-Igbo here bye.
Ofe-Igbo. Yes, I know some people call it mano. We also call it mano, but Ofe-Igbo is the traditional Enuani name for palm oil. We believe we Igbo people cannot make soup without, at least in one way or the other, involving oil, palm oil. So we call it Ofe-Igbo, palm oil. The Benins also call it Ofe-Igbo. And I was surprised. If you ask them now, they will start claiming that they are the ones who call it Ofe-Igbo. How did Igbo enter into it, into your diction?